Today we're going to answer the ultimate question. Are OCAM Sidesteps for your 79 any bloody good? And are they easy enough to install? Now some of you may have lost sleep over this, but we're here to help. Let's get to it. Alright, these are the OCAM 79 single cab heavy duty steel Sidesteps. Let's open her up. So far, I found styrofoam and Sidesteps. Alright, I found the fitting kit. It's in the box. Got that knife handy, Jeff? Alright. So we've got some kind of instructions. These are captive nuts, so they must have to go into a hole in the chassis. That's why they got these little bars on the end of them. The chassis. A couple, I guess these will be washers. Some nuts and bolts, so hopefully installation's pretty simple. Right hand side step. You don't have to record this one. Alright, so according to the instructions, at least for the 2007-2016 single cab cruiser, passenger side, the big dog mount, the rear, and it looks like we've got a smaller mount towards the front, and then I did get it with the side rails, so up this end the cap should come off and I can attach the side rails, but we're just doing the Sidesteps for now. First ultimate question, if you've got a side mounted exhaust on your 79 single cab, looks like the Sidesteps will actually clear. First ultimate question answered.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Hey, there's no number 8.
Some chassis, for like mine, you might actually have to drill out the holes where they want to put the captive nuts. Since I've got to drill the holes out, I'm going to hopefully be able to tap it and then I won't need to worry about the captive nuts. It's a M8 by 1.25. Because on some chassis this may be open, but for whatever reason on my chassis there's a whole nother plate in there. It's probably about 5mm thick. Right, so on the cross member for the gearbox, there's a 14mm. You got to undo. Am I doing that up? What am I doing it?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
What are you trying to do? That would be tied up. This would have to be looser. Okay.
The torque wrench, mate.
Out. Let's hope I can get it undone.
Well, there's always something, right, on every job. This is going to be another thing.
Yeah, there we go.
Good, mate.
Yep. Might put some never sees on that.
Whoa, it's called never seize, not even like anti-seize, just won't seize, ever.
Yeah, anti-seize.
Never, ever.
So, I don't need the captive nuts because I had to drill out my chassis. While I was drilling it out, I may as well tap it.
So it's actually better, right?
Kind of, yeah. That way if you ever have to undo it, don't need to worry about the captive nuts. So I can get one started. Looks like I have. Put a bolt and nut there. This is where it's handy to have a mate. Pass you a washer and nut, please. So if you're doing it yourself, have a washer and nut handy for this back one.
Or a mate.
Or a mate. Obviously there's going to be another bolt there and another bolt there before we finish, but just trying to get some in to hold on to everything. There's a place to catch your dirt or put your beer in here. I'm guessing it's just going to catch dirt. And they've supplied enough washers to have washer on the outside and a washer on the inside with the nut. Alright, so get these started. They look to be quite happy going in there. Get the factory bolt on here. So far, pretty easy to install. Side one on. Off to do the other side. to be honest. It was quite easy to install. It ain't no rock slider, but for the money, it looks alright. Just remembered I've got to do it on the back ones.
Oh, okay.
Both side steps are installed. Using them as a side step should be pretty good. They were easy to install. Price was alright for side steps. I wouldn't be relying on them as a rock slider. There's nothing underneath there to kind of give it that sort of suitability, I guess you would say. But they work. And they don't seem to move, so we're good. They're not too bad.